Now we're paired. Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Dewalt tool that is cool, but also a little bit gimmicky. So why don't you come on in and we'll take a look at it. This is their Bluetooth Connect system. All right, this is a tag that is what I'm calling it. And essentially a lot of their tools, especially the newer ones, have a mounting plate for these things to screw onto. And for example, here's one right here on my 4-port charger. It didn't come with this. It just had the 2 screw holes, and you buy these tags separately and then you can screw them on. Now, before we get into the review some more, make sure you subscribe, hit that notify bell, leave some comments and give me a thumbs up because it helps out the channel. But yeah, these things basically, you pair it with your phone, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm also going to show you, we're going to attach it on a tool that doesn't have a screw hole for it, so we're going to attach it doing a different method. But basically these things just light up and they make a blue little light right there. Okay, that's how you find them, and they don't make a beeping noise or anything like that, which I kind of wish they did. But yeah, I will run you through the app right now and we'll sort of show you how it works. All right, so let's just get into this app. It's called Tool Connect. All right, so this is my toolbox essentially, and I'm just gonna prop up my phone here. All right, so that's the toolbox. Now I have one of these on my light and then my 4-port charger. And so we're gonna add one to my Dewalt whole hog. Okay, and the way we do that is you just press the plus button, and then I'm just gonna press drill, and then you can enter the name. So we're just gonna call this whole hog. All right, okay, there we go, we're paired. So now we press pair, and now we're paired. So essentially you just hold it down until it recognizes it. So now this little device is going to be attached to my whole hog. All right, now the way we're going to do that is with some double-sided tape, because, and I don't know if it's going to hold up, you know, time will tell. I might lose this thing, I don't know, but I'm going to put some double-sided tape on this because it does not have mounting brackets. So to do that, I'm just going to peel this tape back a bit. Okay, I'm just going to stick it on the back like that. Pull off the second layer. Oh, it's sticky. It's sticky, guys. All right, there we go. And I'm just going to stick it on the side, just like that. All right, hopefully that stays. But now, if I'm at a job site and I can't find my tool, all I have to do is, if I'm within 100 feet of this thing, is I go to my whole hog. All right, so I go into alerts, and then I press identify, and then the light will start flashing blue, and I know that this is my tool. So this is why I think this is a little bit gimmicky. I mean, anyone can pull this off. It's kind of like you gotta be within 100 feet of this thing. And if you're not within 100 feet and somebody moves your tool or steals your tool, you're not gonna know until you go back to the job site and you go through your tags and you see if all your tools are there. There's no audible notifications, which I think they should put in, because if this is like jammed in behind some wood or something, the odds of me finding this little blue light before the tool itself, I mean, come on. I'm definitely going to see the tool before I see this tiny, tiny little blue light. So for me, like, I've never used these things. I really don't understand, you know, the meaning behind, I don't know. As you can see, I don't like them. But I think if maybe you're on a large commercial site and you're managing all these tools, maybe it might work for you guys, because then you know if one of them goes, you know, for a little walk. So that could be why they're good. You can check to make sure they're all in the vicinity. It's like GPS. It does give you a map. It shows last known location. Or if you are within 100 feet and you can press the button and find it, it'll tell you, yes, it's in this building still. If it's not, then it's gone and somebody's taken it, and you'll never find it unless you're within 100 feet of this thing and they haven't pulled the tag off. So you kind of see what I'm saying. They're good, but they're kind of not. It's just kind of gimmicky to me. I think the tools that have it built in are way better, because you can't remove this tag. So, you know, for me, will I ever use this? I don't know. I've never used it before on my battery charger. It's just something that Dewalt made, and I don't know, maybe one day they'll improve it and, you know, be able to set up geofencing or something like that, so that you know if it's leaving the property and it gives you an alert. That would be great. If they came up with a box, maybe they already have this, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but if they had a box that you set up in your job site and it's sending signals to your iPhone at home, and if someone steals your stuff, it gives you an alert, or if there's movement, it gives you an alert, that would be amazing, right? Something like the Spot. Those GPS sensors are great. They're a little bigger than this, but if they could put that technology into the tools or into these little tags, then I'd be on board. But right now, it's just kind of useless to me. So that's the honest truth, guys. That's what I think about them, and take it or leave it. So leave some comments down below. If there's any corrections, if I'm not hitting something right here, let me know. Love to hear from you. But yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe, hit that notify bell. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.